Hardness. There are two types of hardness, Brunel and Vickers. First, Brunel. Click on Browse Image button and select the preferred image. Manual method. Click on Manual button and make the selection around the needed region. Now adjust the applied force and click on Compute and click on Result button to get result. You can change calibrations per your need. Now, click on Report button and generate report. Automatic method. Click on Automatic button and click on Compute and repeat the same process. Now Vickers Hardness. Click on Manual button and change the applied force as per your need. And click on Browse Image button and select the preferred image. Click on D1 and D2 to make the lines. Click on Done and click Compute button. For second object, change to KGF and do the same process. Click on Done and click Compute button. Click on Result button to get the result. And then click on Report button and generate report. For automatic, click on Automatic button and select the Threshold button and adjust as per your need. Now, click on Compute and click on the Result button. Then click on Report button and generate report.